So guys, I'm trying to cook. Stop that. I'm trying to cook this thing. What they call it? Coconut rice. And I decided to drink garri. This is Jebo garri we have big guy. It's very nice. Epic. I think I need to add more sugar. Want to taste? Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my guy. I'll show you guys the rest of the. I'm cooking my coconut rice. Okay? So stay tuned. What is it? So guys, don't mind me. I was so hungry, so I had to drink that garri. So right here, I've already grated my coconut. Okay, I added warm water, then I'm squeezing the coconut milk out. All right, then right here I'm adding my oil, and this is the onions. I'm cooking coconut rice. This is like a concoction coconut rice. Okay, so because there's nothing much fancy inside this coconut rice, we get. I'm using what I have in my house to cook this coconut rice, and I'm bulk cooking for the week. Okay, so this video is all about me cooking for 3 days. Okay, I cooked this day, and I cooked the next day, and I cooked the upper day. Okay, so I just needed to like bulk cook so that the other days I won't be cooking food. I will be eating this at the time go on. So right here I just added my tomato, pepper, and tetashi with garlic and ginger, and also onions. I blended all those together. I allowed it to fry very well to what you guys are seeing right here. I added my spices, which is thyme, curry, bay leaf, okay, and I added rosemary. So right here I'm pouring my coconut milk, okay, the one I juiced out from the chaff. And this is what I have. I got distracted because my sister came around and she was gisting me, so I just got distracted. I fried some plantain, and I love eating the bwwm side of the rice. So this is how I plated my food. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome to my space. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed, like the video, share, and comment. So right here I'm enjoying my rice with my daughter. My sister is at the background, and she also brought some alcohol for me to dilute the rice. So this is what I'm going to drink right now. It's not Martina, baby. You like Mota Guinness? It's not Martina. You want me at home? No, me, I'll go and buy for me. I'll go and buy for me later, okay? Eat your rice. Alright, Mama? Eat your rice. I'll go and buy for you later, alright? Buy me at home. Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Right here I'm on my way to go get few things. I need to cook food for hubby, and also food I'm gonna cook the next day. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you watched to this extent. Okay guys, so this is just me and baby girl going out, and right here I am home. I'm making I'm making goulash and dumpling for hubby. I've done this recipe, and you guys have seen it in my vlog or in my cooking series. So I'm making this because he requested for this, and I was like, okay, no problem, because this food takes a while. Like it took me like close to 3 to 4 hours to make this food. The preparation, from the preparation to the cooking process, everything, it's a very long time. So that's why I added it to this vlog, because I'm cooking it in bulk. Okay, so yeah, so this is just me cutting up the beef, and then right here I'm frying the onions till when it's a bit golden brown. Then I'll add my beef. So just fry your onions in a lower heat, okay, and when you fry it in a lower heat, you add your beef and the rest. And here I'm already cooking the sauce, and I'm already cooking the dumpling because I was so tired. I got distracted again. It's not easy filming content, seriously. So I'm done cooking the food. This is what the food looks like. Sorry I didn't take you guys along. The video, I'm gonna link it so just for you to know more. I'm done cooking hubby's food. Those food there. That food took me like 3-4 hours to make. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow in day 3 of the cooking, because I cooked yesterday, I'm cooking today, and tomorrow I'm cooking again. Like, wow, this is a cooking marathon race. Yeah, this is a cooking marathon race. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be making soup, stew, and 2 soup and a stew. Okay, I'm using fish. I started it in a vlog of mine that already come up. Okay, so this is the whole process of me making the soup and stew. I hope you enjoyed this video. So right here I'm removing the things that used to be inside fish. Okay, so I'm just removing everything, and I'm going to clean the fish for the fish to be clean before I cook it. And after cooking it, to move to the cooking process, I was multitasking, guys, trying to create video for this cooking series and also trying to vlog as well, like create a day in my life vlog. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica Trenovek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of 1. I am married to a Slovak. If this is what you're interested in our interracial family, please do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, so right here I am cutting the tomatoes, and so I'm cutting the tomatoes because I want to blend it for the stew. Okay, so I'm just slicing the tomato, blending it with tatashi, pepper, onions, garlic, and ginger, and that's how I blend my tomato. So right here I'm pounding the pepper I want to use to cook this soup. Okay, because I just like pounding that pepper in the mortar. I don't know, it gives a soup a different taste, especially when it's that yellow pepper. I didn't have that yellow pepper at home, so I have red pepper, so I had to pound that one. Then here I'm pounding the ogbono. I initially blended this ogbono with the blender, but it didn't give me a smooth paste, so I had to pound it again. So right here I am cutting the vegetables I'm gonna use to cook the egusi soup and ogbono. Like, I'm just prepping all the things I need to cook this food. Wow guys, I've never ever cooked in 3 days in a row like this before, but I was just decided to let me cook it and rest. Okay, these are all the ingredients we're going to use to make this meal. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. And since hubby bought that ogbono and egusi, I didn't want it to spoil, so I said let me just prepare this sharp soup and sharp stew. You know, let the labor of my husband or the works of my husband not spoil, because he helped me get all these things, so I didn't want them to spoil. So here I'm cooking this soup. I'm going to add my oil in a pot, and again guys, I am double cooking. Okay, I'm cooking the egusi soup, I'm also cooking the ogbono soup, so I can cook the food sharp and come off for kitchen, because my tired is already tired. You know, initially I did the cleaning, washing clothes and everything, so I already gotten tired already, but I had to push myself to make sure I make this soup. Okay, so this soup is gonna last me for a month thereabout, because I don't eat much. Yeah, somebody said I don't eat much. Yes, I don't eat much, but I just like stocking my fridge with food, so I know that I have food that will last me for a while. So I've added my onions inside the oil, and I'm putting my egusi inside, and I'm just gonna mix everything together. In the other pot I'm gonna be cooking ogbono as well. So as I said earlier on, I am multitasking here so that I can get the food done on time and then rest. So please enjoy the rest of the vlog.
Try to forget, but the thought words, they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. But now I've realized you were what I needed this whole time.
So right here, I'm mixing the ogbono and the egusi on a low heat to make sure that my food don't burn. Since I am multitasking, you know, I have to put proper attention on the both food. Luckily for me, baby girl was occupied with watching her children's cartoons, so it gave me that time to, you know, multitask and cook the food. So this is what I'm doing. I'm making sure I like frying my egusi very well. Okay, so I fry it, then I also fry the ogbono. The amount time of how I fry the egusi is almost the amount time how I fry the ogbono. Okay, so this is what I'll be doing till I add the rest of the ingredients in the food.
I've been around, no one else has got me feeling this way every minute.
So right here, I want to add my pepper, my fresh pepper. I'll add fresh pepper in the both soup, and I'll continue mixing it, then add my crayfish. As I said, this food was a food, I did a short and I named it poor man food because this soup literally does not have any okporoko, blackfish, bomo, you know, all those orishi you put inside soup. Okay, this food did not have it. All right, guys, so I used what I had because if you guys saw the beginning of the video when I was going out with my daughter, I went to a shop whereby I wanted to get all those kind of stuff. I could not get it because why? It was quite expensive. But it's not something, but if you go to the market, you know that you can be able to get it in a cheaper rate. Okay, but I was unable to go to the market. I had to go to a African shop in my area, and kai God, if you see the way they package fish and okporoko, and if you see the price, you yourself, you would say let you carry your leg and run to the market and buy it in a cheaper rate. Seriously. So I only got those two fish that I said it was 3,700 in my previous vlog. I only got those two fish. I know if I have gone to the market, I will get that fish in a cheaper rate because, you know, if you're in the market, you have the right to bargain on things. You don't need to, it's not a fixed price in the market. So these are the soups. I've added a lot of crayfish inside because, you know, crayfish gives soup taste. I know in the olden days now, definitely there was crayfish in the olden days. There was not all these plenty things I'm measuring that our mothers used to use to cook soup. So this soup was just a plain delicious soup. Because why I say it was delicious, I was not the only one that ate it. My brother ate it and he confirmed that the soup was sweet because there was nothing inside the soup, guys. Seriously, there was literally nothing. So I named this soup poor man soup in the sense that it does not have any orishi inside. It's just only my egusi, my oil, my pepper, my crayfish, salt, maggi, ugu, and the fish, and that's it. So this is what the outcome of my few ingredients I used to cook the soup. This is what it looks like, guys. So rate the cooking in the comment section. I'm reading people's cooking in the comment section. Okay, your comment. I'm reading your comment in the comment section. This soup tasted so good, guys. Like, I was so amazed that with few ingredients you can make a nice soup. It's not compulsory you cook put all those assorted things. Yes, those are nice when you're throwing food, okay, but it's not compulsory. Sometimes you don't have money to do that. You just cook what you have. Yeah, so right here I'm going to section my food in place because I'm going to place them in the freezer for it to freeze, and I'll be bringing the plates one after the other to eat. That in a bigger plate whereby you bring it, you defrost, you bring up you want to eat, then you put it back inside the freezer. So you know they get tastes like that. The taste will they come out, you get. So it's better you put it in a smaller plate like this. You know that okay, this one is the amount of soup you can finish, and you got that plate, then you eat that particular plate finish. Then you know the day you bring out another plate. And why I cook this ogbono and egusi, because okay, today I might eat egusi, tomorrow or next tomorrow I might decide to eat ogbono. So that's why I cook the ogbono ogbono and egusi. This is just me section 8, and we'll start cooking this stew.
Every hour I spend is on you every single day.
So love, right here I'm making this stew. I'm making fish. As I said, this was just a fish a fish process. Okay, so I added my onions in the oil I used to fry the fish. Okay, it's very amazing if you use your oil that you used to fry your fish or your chicken to cook your stew. It gives it another taste. So I added my tomato that I blended initially. I cooked it and allow it to see, bring out the water. So I'm frying everything now. Okay, and I'm going to add my fish water, and I'll mix everything together. Guys, see everywhere done these things. Then one thing about cooking only tomato stew is that it gets to do all this thing on your stove. But anyway, we'll clean it later. So right here I've added my audio ingredients used to add. I did not put any other thing than my gay crayfish again inside. Yes, my fish, my salt, okay, curry, thyme, and that's it. And here I am putting it in a plate because I know that this, if I put my fish and my stew, this, I bring out this one, I can use it to eat rice for 2 days. Then I'll bring out this one, I use to eat rice for 2 days. Okay, so I'm just going to segment it, keep it in the like this, and I am done with the cooking. Like, this cooking took me like a very long time, guys. Okay, it took me a long time. So this is what we have here. This is my food that will last me for 1 month.
I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside.
I hope you enjoyed this cooking segment with me. If to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching to this extent, and I will see you all in my next video. Like, this is a bulk cooking, and this is me. This is how it looks like in my freezer. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Something about you makes me wanna be